Welcome to Momentum Software Solutions. This is a short demonstration on Momentum Subcontractor Advantage. This application was developed by Momentum to allow for the creation of RCTI invoices or purchase orders for job transactions relating to subcontractors. Subcontractor Advantage is located in Job Costing, Transactions, Momentum Subcontractor Advantage. The main page of Subcontractor Advantage allows you to see time entries for job resources that have been linked to RCTI suppliers. Creditors and EXO need to first be set up as RCTI suppliers and then linked to the relevant job resources. The time entries can be filtered by date range and creditor, and a document date for the RCTI invoice or purchase order can be specified. The invoice or purchase order can then be created after selecting the time entries required. In this example, time will be entered in Momentum Timesheet Advantage. This time will then be used to create an RCTI invoice. Time can also be entered using the standard EXO job costing timesheet entry. In Timesheet Advantage, time is being entered for Tom Andrews, who has been linked to the supplier called Subcontractor 1, using the stock code Subcon1. The date is 1st and 2nd of February, and the time entered is 8 plus 8 for a total of 16 hours. This example has been set up to use job quantity for the number of hours, but payroll hours can also be used. It can also be set up to use other costs such as supplier or standard cost instead of the job transaction cost. Going back to Subcontractor Advantage, select the relevant date range and the creditor Subcontractor 1. The time entry for Tom Andrews for 16 hours now appears here. The document date has been set to today's date by default. Selecting the lines updates the totals at the bottom of the screen. So creating an invoice with these selected lines, the totals will be 16 hours and $1,120. Click Create to create the invoice. This displays the details of the invoice, which at this point has already been created. The lines now no longer appear in the list. The invoice PDF will be created and emailed to the creditor, usually within the next hour. To create the PDF and email immediately, click on the Email button. The email is sent to the creditor, and the invoice PDF is created and then linked to the creditor account in EXO. Opening the account Subcontractor 1, the creditor transaction has been created. The RCTI invoice PDF also appears in the Documents tab. Thank you for watching this short demonstration on Momentum Subcontractor Advantage.